Hello children, how are you all? I, Mrs. Arpita Shah, teacher from Tottenham School. So children, do you know what we are going to do today? Children, we are going to do an activity. And with what we are going to do an activity? With an ice cream sticks. You all eat na ice cream, candy ice creams. With that sticks, we are going to do an activity. We are going to do an activity of key holder with ice cream sticks. Key holder. Do you know children? What do you mean by key holder? Key holder means where we hang our keys, and if we keep our keys here and there or in the shelf, what happens? Every time we have to search the keys. So, if we hang our keys on key holder, we can find it easily. So children, we are going to do today key holder with an ice cream stick. So, now I am going to tell you what things will be needed to do an activity of key holder. First, we are going to take one A4 size paper, then painted ice cream sticks, and then gum. Okay children? So, let's see. So children, first we must stick all the sticks like this on one slipping stick, and then take all the sticks in standing. So children, now today we are going to do an activity of ice cream stick. What we are going to make? Yes, key holder. Now you must take painted sticks, ice cream sticks, and then take one stick and apply little gum on the top, and then join the other stick. Now apply the gum on the bottom, and then we have to stick this on it. Now after doing that, you must press on it so it will get stuck on it. Okay children? After that, take one stick. You can take any color, whichever color you like. Apply gum on it, and then apply little more gum so that it will stick nicely. And then stick on the sticks so it will get stuck properly. Okay children? Now what we are going to make? Key holder, no? So where we are going to hold the key? So for that we have to make a peg. Now how to make a peg? What you have to do? You have to fold this. First make these ice cream sticks into half. And then fold this and now stick on this. Apply gum and then stick it like this. You can make 3, you can make 5. How many you want, you can make it. Okay children? And and press on it so it will get stick properly. Now 3. Now one more. 4. Okay children, and now to decorate this we will take one flower. And we are going to decorate this with a flower. Any flower you can take or any decorative material you can take for sticking, for decorating. Okay children, you can stick here beads also. And now stick this on the paper. Okay children, so what is this? This is key holder. So children, this is our key holder. So children, what we have done today? We have done key holder. So now what you are going to do? You are going to do practice of the same activity and tag us on Instagram. Okay children, bye. Stay home, stay safe.